In today's video, we've got something super exciting for you. We're going to talk about 5 amazing free tools that will help you turn your images into incredible videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, especially the last tool. It's a total game changer with no watermark. All right, let's jump right into it. First up, we've got Kaiber AI. This is such a fun and easy tool to use. You get 50 free credits when you sign up, which you can use to create videos in just a few minutes. How cool is that? Now here is a bonus tip for you. Want unlimited videos? Just use Attempt Mail to create a new account. That's right, you can generate hundreds of videos with no limits. Keep the content coming and never run out of creative ideas. Isn't that amazing? Tell me in the comments. Next, let's talk about Rubber Band AI. Now, this one is a bit different. It's a powerful tool that takes your images and turns them into videos with high-quality output. Sure, it gives you limited credits, but trust me, the quality is totally worth it. It's perfect if you are working on a creative project or want to experiment with new ideas. Imagine the possibilities, right? It's like having a superpower for your images. Next up is Vidful AI. Wow, this one is fun and sneaky in the best way. With just one sign up, you can create 2 or 3 videos. But here is the best part. If you want unlimited videos, all you have to do is sign up with a new email ID and boom, unlimited video generation. How smart is that? It's like a little life hack for your creative projects. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll be hooked. Moving on to Kling AI, another fantastic tool. This one turns your images into high-quality videos with just a few clicks. The best part? It's super smooth and fast. If you are looking for a hassle-free experience, Kling AI is definitely the tool to try. I mean, who doesn't love smooth and quick results? It's like magic happening right in front of your eyes. And last but definitely not least, we have Pic AI. This one is hands down the best in my opinion. It's a newer tool, but wow, it really delivers. It lets you convert images into high quality videos without any watermark. Yep, you heard that right. With each sign up, you get 20 credits. And each video costs only 10 credits. That means you can make 2 videos per sign up. And if you want even more, just create a new account and keep making videos. It's like a never-ending video party. So what are you waiting for? Give these tools a try and start creating amazing videos from your images. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. See you all in next video. Happy creating.